Mike Hamilton, Lithia Toyota. So I wanted to go over real quickly a vehicle in the Toyota lineup that you may not have known has a pretty good tow capability, and how you could get tow to it and where it comes from and what its tow capacities are. Let me turn the camera around and talk about it real quick. So this is a Toyota Highlander, probably a 21. This is one of our Toyota rent-a-cars, but really for 21, 22, there hasn't really been a change in these vehicles. They're virtually identical from one year to the next. Toyota has a factory tow hitch that's available, but it's not done at the factory. So this V6 is one that's been equipped with the factory tow hitch that you could tow up to 5,000 pounds with the V6 engine. And you can see how it's like the plastic thing is all molded and built and goes around the exhaust and fits around the hitch and looks real super clean. They also have the ones with the parking sonar for the higher levels, like the limiteds and platinums too. That's so you can get those parking sonars still working. So it costs a little bit more to do. But there's two ways this happens. So it can get preferenced out by the new car manager at the Toyota store, and they could do this at what's called their regional port. So how these vehicle gets originally built at the plant would not come this way, and then it gets put on a train in the rail yard. Our local regional facility is in the Bay Area, and then if this vehicle had this preference done to it already, then they would add this tow package onto the vehicle. It's also available as a hybrid too, but its tow capacity goes down to 3,500 pounds because of the CVT transmission and not having the horsepower that this vehicle has. So this will have the highest tow capacity of 5,000 pounds. But this is only one of 3 vehicles that a lot of people don't know have a factory tow hitch. The other one here is one of these RAV4s here. So RAV4s in the hybrids are like 2,000 or 1,500 pounds. I think it's 1,500 pounds. And then up to 3,500 pounds. And this is one of the models that could get that higher tow capacity here, as this is even a more rare option. It's something really only done at the store level. So you're gonna want that, you have to buy the package when it gets to the store, and then the one of the technicians at the store does it. And it's the Adventure and the TRD off-road package that has a more stiffer body that allows it to tow a little better. And again, it's like 3,500 pounds. And I believe everything else, including the hybrids and the other gas models, is 1,500 pounds. And then you can also get that, I don't have one of those to show you right now, but the new Sienna that's out, they only come in a hybrid, but the brand new Siennas also have a tow package. Its capacity is pretty light, something only around 2,000 pounds, but it could tow something small like a quad or a little utility trailer, a little pop-up trailer, something like that. But these are vehicles that a lot of customers are not aware of that have the tow capacities or tow hitches available. And of course, you could do something aftermarket, but the Toyota one, again, is going to give you a much more professional and clean look to it versus like if you went to U-Haul or something to do that. And again, it's going to give you the molded bumper that fits around the right wiring harness, the hitch that's right for it, the engineer designed hitches that Toyota's built for the vehicle. It's the same with this RAV4, and again, same for the Highlander. Again, Mike Hamilton, and a couple vehicles that are behind me here that have that ability to tow and have a tow package that's a factory engineered and designed tow hitches for them available. So thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.